Man, we twisted. Looking like a modern day Stevie Wonder.
Oh shit.
Hurry up, man. My phone about to die soon. Be quiet. You gotta be louder.
I had a dream about my way to heaven. When I woke, I spent it on a necklace. I told God I'll be back in a second. Man, it's so long not to
Who you supposed to be? Swiss Beast Cube? Spliff Star? Let me see if I look twisted. I don't know the name of it. I remember it though. It's that. Oh, remember that? Man, she had the fatty. Definitely missed out on that. Yeah, I definitely did it. You see me, right? I tried. I see you. I don't got the candy cams.
I love everybody on this train right now.
I don't got the candy cam skills like the dudes on them sites, yo. I'm about to make an iPhone candy cam bun site. And I said it, so I was like, it's got the fatty. Whatever, yo. Yo, wait, what's the next stop? I think next stop is 34th Street. Nope, 28th.